ひら揺れているキューピー肩で息をするたびまた一つ恋が生まれる翼の影が動く雲に隠れてひらひら踊ってるキューピーお願い明日までには彼のハート私のものに全てが欲しいのよレストに空の彼方吹いてくる風ねそうよ初めて恋してるそんなときめき感じてる数えきれないほど恋をした私だけど初めて恋してるそんなときめき感じてる恋するハート降り立つ天使なのキューピー額への熱いキスでまた一つ恋が生まれる翼は気まぐれなの彼
This is the new. Like seriously, who would put the fucking bike in their house like that? A stupid bike lover. Oh, this has changed. All this cheap wood, man. Is that on my face? Hey, what's up people? So we're in Ikea. In Japan they pronounce it Ikea for some reason. We call it Ikea. Swedish furniture, Vikings, meatballs and porn. So we're doing a bit of Christmas shopping, so we've got a little surprise for little Zilla, and we're gonna be pimping up a room. So we're gonna get it all ready for Christmas Day, and then we're gonna open the door, and she'll go in and be like, "What the fuck?" So we're gonna max out today on some shit. So it's probably the same Ikea like where you guys live. The thing is with this store, when it first ever opened, was they actually had all of their stock from Sweden was here, and a lot of their furniture wouldn't fit in a Japanese house. So even some things that we bought were too big. So I think for Japanese Ikea, basically what it is that the furniture is a little bit smaller than what it is compared to stuff like in England or America or something like that. Is this where it is, Yukari? Really? But yeah, today I'm just going to do a little Rambo video. Christmas is coming soon. Oh, I'll tell you what I might buy here actually, mechanic. I might buy one of those chargers for your phone. Wireless charger. I've heard they're quite cheap here. So yeah, tomorrow's the last day at work, so man, today was just pointless and pathetic. This is kind of like when I do these ramble videos, I kind of stumble into topics that like just pop into my head. So one thing out here is Japanese schools. What's called shoji. All the kids have to clean the fucking school, and it's like in part of their school culture is they clean the school, and I've had bad experiences over there. Bad experiences with kids cleaning the school because the kids don't really clean the school properly. Like they even clean the staff toilet, and every time, man, it's just like it's full of pubes, the pee everywhere. The kids forget to put new toilet roll in there. Once I had a shit, and luckily I had enough bog roll to wipe my ass. And the kids mess around, and they don't clean the school properly. Most of these kids are just running around talking, which I expect from teenagers. Oops, bit of a wobble there, sorry guys. Oh look, there's a big shark there. Oh my god, dude. Look at this. It's Jaws. Quite scary for a child. There, Jaws. Dun, dun. So, got Jaws there, man. What do you want to get, you cat? That's too big. Sure. Oh, it's dangerous. What do you think, guys? How much is this? Lima. Oh, that one's good as well. The wooden one. Wow! So I'm with the wife, man. So. Yeah, but that means you're gonna.
If you don't wanna, you wanna use spare room.
Yeah, but by the time they get older, they might get wrecked though. You can.
じゃあ何 extension bed? You check.
With that one there, the reason why I like that is because you can put things underneath, and then you have more space. Do you understand? You put a kitchen underneath there, some drawers. It's all underneath storage. Do you understand?
Yeah, I understand.
See. I'm good, man. I drew a plan about this shit. Yeah. So the kids at the school they don't do shit at the school. They're just messing around. And
Didn't check height.
and that's got a ladder as well. Mate, get off the camera. Oh, you drew a plan for it. Bed. Like rug.
これがこうなんだよね。
Yeah.
I check.
What's the size? Yeah, me and Yukari never check the sizes, but we are today because we've had many problems getting stuff. Oh, where's the window though, Yukari?
Window がコーナーから。
That means the window would be over there.
ね、window がこことかで。
Anthony? Is that a good or bad idea?
ここがウォールで 1.11 で window。
Alright. If we get the wooden bed, what do you want to do? Put two of them in one room? Two beds?
Or separate them.
Yeah, when they get older. Let's have a look. I know what you're saying. It's a good idea. What do you playroom? What do you playroom? You want 2 rooms? No, but we need a spare room for guests though there. This is what happens when you get married, man.
これはさ、ファーストはさ、セパレートでさ、ワンベッドさ、4ゲストでさ、ワンベッドをメイちゃんにしたの。
You can't. It's a kid's bed. Like, what adult is gonna fit in that bed? Are you gonna be a fucking Ewok?
Single bed. Can you sleep here? Lie down, please.
No, I don't wanna. I don't wanna lie down.
Why?
Yeah, that'll fit. That's what happens, man.
これがほら、90センチメーターでしょ。でもエクステンションベッドは80だ。エクステンションベッドないじゃんね。
Yeah, it just takes up a lot of room.
I don't.
Wait a minute. What's this one? This thing over here. This thing. It's a bit creepy though, isn't it? Like, look at it. It's like some gas chamber. It's a top up between this one, guys. What do you think, YouTubers? What do you think? This one? I think it's that, isn't it? Oh man, I hate buying all this shit. See, my idea is getting this bed, yeah, and putting storage underneath. That's my idea. But this shit doesn't match, does it? This this is 60,000. Yeah. Look at the quality. It's fucking shit. I hate Ikea, man. Anyway, we'll be back in a minute. Oh man, this Christmas shopping is always stressful. You Kelly, let's go. Get the fuck out of here. We're going down to B1 to get some furniture. But as I was saying before, guys, kids are cleaning the school. No thanks, just a complete waste of time. What killed me today was the fact that in Japan, the people are complaining that the kids don't speak enough Eiga or English. So kids in Japan, they waste hours and hours and hours of time cleaning, which they don't really do. And in Japan, apparently here they've got no fucking money. Schools have got no money, and they use this excuse to get the kids to clean the school terribly. And they don't hire cleaners, professional cleaners. They do it private schools. Shit gets clean. Nearly all the private schools that I've been to, it's been great to have a shit in the toilets because it's clean. These public schools, man, the toilets are old, they stink, they're horrible, there's pubes everywhere, pee everywhere, it's just horrible. Yeah, I get really irate with that shit. So yeah, so today another 2 hours wasted. Kids cleaning the school. Apparently that was part of their lesson today. So you kids in England be very lucky at the fact that you don't have to clean your school, because I don't think that shit would fly in the UK. Also another issue is the fact that apparently this is supposed to be some like moral learning curve for the kids, that they're going to be productive people when they get older, and that doesn't happen. It's like, why clean a school when you can help clean your parents' house or your own house? It would make more sense to do, right? That's what I used to do. Japanese kids out in Japan, they don't really help around the house. They rarely do dishes. They rarely take the trash out. They rarely do anything, because the parents think you should be fucking studying, and it's just the whole wrong setup. It's like when we were kids, we used to help around the house, cut the lawn, clean the car, help my dad clean the car, shit like that. You know what I mean? But shit like that doesn't happen, man. So we gotta come here, I think, to look for this mattress thing. Check it out, man. There's Ikea right now. There might be some camera wobble. Oh, that's pretty horrid, man. That's really fucked up. Looks like someone spewed on it. That's the kitchen stuff. You can't. Is it this flat? Nah. Yeah. Yeah. 800, 200. What's my wife put? Huh? She's sneaking in there. They don't make it easy in this store. Finding shit. Look at Grumpy's there. What's up? Stop crying, man. Let's just ask the staff you can. It's a lot easier. We could be in here for hours. Mate, what are you doing, man? Put your shoes back on. Come on. Oi. Oi there. Back up.
He said, get single size.
Hey. Say hello. Hello. Snap monster. Yeah, so it's really fucked up. And let's talk about. I'll briefly get into Christmas. So as you all know, Christmas is upon us, and in Japan it's so heavily promoted out here. But just as a little test that I did, I asked my students if they were celebrating this year, if they had a tree, or if they were gonna have like turkey and presents. And what was the reaction of the kids? All of them are studying, nobody's traveling, nobody's getting a what they call Santa gift. Wow. So I took them out there. So it's a complete waste of fucking time. It's like they promote the crap out of it over here, but no one celebrates it. How weird is that? Very weird. It's a complete waste of time. And it's weird. What's up? What are you doing? Watch out. Man, look me there. What's that? What the fuck is that? What is that? Look, what is that? Miniature shit. What's all that about, man? You died? His foot's hurt. Why would you want to buy that? Why? Look. What's the logic behind that? Okay. Tecrübe. The Ikea sells some really fucked up shit. Look at me. So, hey, look, man, look. Who's there? What? He died. Oh, look, he died. Look, man, look. Red Riding Hood there. How are you now? Huh? Look. Music's really good. It's like Boys to Men or some shit. Oh, lights, man. Get out. So, I presume Ikea might be busy where you're at. May's now taking her socks off. Can you see the camera there? You're getting heavy now, aren't you? Honey. Oh, kawaii. Kawaii, man. Look. I'll be buying from here. Is the The wireless iPhone charger should be here somewhere. Dajibu. We might even get some LEDs, man. Huh? Where the fuck is it? Hey, stop. Man, look at that. Oh, wreck it, look. Spoiling this. You are a monkey, aren't you? You're a little monkey. Right, where are those little oh, kawaii me, Nico. Solar power. Oh, is that it? The iPhone charger thing. It's a USB port. Wow. 8 o'clock. I can't find it. That's a bush. I might have to cancel, maybe cancel Costa. You carry on camera. How bad was it last year? How long was it? Is it like the length of my penis? Very long. Is it very long?
Waiting outside.
Huh?
Waiting outside.
Yeah. How long do you think it would have taken to queue up? Huh? Should we get a clock from here now? I've seen a clock that's pretty cool over here. How about this one? Got it. I like that. Mama! Yeah. Mama? It's quite cool. Don't have kids, guys. This is what happens. Yeah. Yeah, clock for. Oh, fucking hell. No prints there. Yeah, so it was insanely busy last time. Yeah, it's ridiculous. It's a country that doesn't have Christmas now, you can. Why do we celebrate it? That's what I want to know. So, what we'll be having, I'll be busy as fuck Christmas Day, cooking. So I hope all you guys have a good Christmas. I'll be busy getting our room ready and all the rest of it. This should fit in the car. Alright. Now this is what I don't like about Ikea, is the whole self-service shit. May put your shoes on. Yeah, how they expect people to, old people to lift all this shit out of it is beyond. She said he'd die.
It's okay, so.
need it. Ho ho ho, bitches! Santa Claus, what up, bulls? Right. See, I just don't get it. It's kind of depressing, Japan. I tend not to like celebrate Christmas in Japan. It's very, it's just not the same, you know. And you know, you're faced with this madness. Like, do you see? You're faced with all this shit. What's up? Should we start collecting stuff? Shall I do it? Might be stressful. Just relax, okay? Hey, what's up guys? I'm back. It's been a few days since the last Ikea video, but holy shit has it been busy in Japan. Like, Ikea is going off the chain. Been really fucking stressful, and I'll talk about that in a minute. So basically, the little monster we let in last night, this is her new room. Fully spanked out. She got the Ikea kitchen set. Oven fully automated. Ah shit, but man, you need to put batteries in. She loves this kitchen set. So it's actually Christmas Eve today, so the wife has bought us some food, for plastic food, for this kitchen area. We got her this bag, pretty funky design. We went all jungle, man. Bit of D&B, man. This was already purchased many years ago, this white rack, but it's got all her books in there. It's got all her toys. I put up these picture frames. We've got a new clock in there. As you can see right now, it's really bright in Japan, but the weather is pretty goddamn cold, and yeah. It's a busy day for me today because I've got to start getting all the food in. But we got a nice rug. We got the bed, which I'll talk about in a minute. We got like this animal themed duvet, lion pillow, stackage system there with all the toys and stuff. And yeah, we actually let her in last night and she's absolutely over the moon with it. She was just hyped up. I've given her my iPad so she can basically watch her favorite cartoons. How many 2-year-olds have iPads, man? So she can watch her cartoons in bed. We got this really cool little lamp, which actually you can actually attach this to the wall. It's pretty funky. She loves this lamp. And that's about it, guys. So we're just waiting for Christmas. We're gonna do some shopping at Costco. Oh, I also put this kite up there as well. She likes it. Yeah, but it's not a bad room. This is the first room in the house we've actually fully decorated. So she's pretty lucky. And it's nice and cozy for her. She can relax and play Lego, do all that good stuff. So I'll be making some more videos very soon, guys. I've been really busy. I'm glad that you like kind of these new content videos that I'm doing right now. I'm going to be crazy busy today and hopefully get this knocked out before Christmas Day, but I will be doing some filming at Christmas. So and if I get time, I'll be getting this Saf's video part 4 done. It's kind of on the way at the moment, so I'll speak to you guys later. Peace!